Alright, so yan. Yes, good day guys. Okay, so welcome to the next topic on our PPC, which is the types of manual keywords targeting. Okay, so from automatic, so ngayon, dito is discuss natin kung ano ba yung mga types ng manual keyword targeting. Okay, so alright, so we do have three types, okay, ng keywords targeting, which is yung exact match, okay, phrase match, and the broad match. Okay, so sa exact match, okay, with exact match targeting, your ad will only be displayed to customer who search for the exact keywords or phrase that you have selected. Okay, yeah. All right, so as you can see, exact match, okay, exact match. So whatever it is na i-type ni customer dun sa ating Amazon search page, okay, so yung ads natin is magdi-display doon sa product or sa search page result. Okay? So let's say for example, okay? So pwede tayong pumunta kay Amazon. Okay? Pumunta kay Amazon and then let's go to, let's say ito yung exact match natin. Kitchen knife. Yan. So whatever it is na yung na meron tayong tinarget na this specific keywords, ayan, makikita nyo, lalabas ang ating sponsored ads. Okay? That's one of the example, which is the exact match. Alright? Now, let's move on to another one. Okay? Next is the phrase match. Okay? With phrase match, okay, so phrase match naman, your ad will be displayed to customers who search for a specific phrase that includes the keywords you have selected in the exact order. Okay? Alright guys. So dito, okay, so phrase match, this is very tricky. Okay? Dito dapat is sequential. Okay? Dapat in sequence yung keywords. So if we're going back to Amazon, yan. So let's say long, yan. Long kitchen knife. Yan. So dapat in sequence siya. Hindi siya pwedeng kitchen knife long. Okay? Yan. Dapat, okay, in sequence. Alright? So, dapat in sequence siya. That's, yan. That's your phrase match. Okay? Yan. However, okay, for our last keyword match type, we have the broad match. Okay? Ito naman sa broad match. So, with broad match targeting, okay, your ad will be displayed to customer who search for any keywords that is related to the keyword you have selected. Okay. Even if it includes additional words or variation. Okay. So whatever it is. So ito dito pumapasok na yung mga long tail keywords. And in ano to guys, in any order. Okay? So even though yan kahit pagbali-balik na rin ko yan as long as meron kang keywords or nandun yung keywords mo doon sa specific na tinype dito sa search page. Okay? Okay, yung ads natin is lalabas pa rin. Okay, so kahit pagbali-balik na rin mo yan. Unlike sa phrase match, meron siyang in order. Meron siyang in sequence. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, okay. Alright. So, in summary, okay, so there are three types of manual targeting in Amazon advertising. Okay, so manual keywords targeting. So exact match, phrase match, and broad match. Okay, and exact match target is specific. Phrase match target a slightly broader audience, and the broad match target a wider audience and is the best for discovering new keywords. All right, so that's gonna be your three keyword match type. So if ever that we will go to Amazon console or Amazon ads console, so yan, dito nyo siya makikita. So manual targeting, keywords, okay, and then yan, keyword targeting, and then we have here the keyword match type, broad, phrase, exact. Yan. So whatever it is that you will going to target, so lagyan nyo lang or i-tick box nyo lang, lagyan nyo ng check, and then we will proceed. Dito natin ilalagay yung ating target keywords. Yan. Let's say these are the example. Yan. Okay? Then add keywords, and then whatever it is na yung budget ni client, then yan, makikita nyo siya dito. Alright? Yan. Okay. And syempre, make sure that you use fixed bids. Yan. Okay? Alright, and yan. And then the campaign name should be the product name again. Yan. Manual keyword, and then the manual exact or whatever it is, kung ano man yung target nyo. Pero kung default na lahat ta-target nyo, huwag nang ilagay yan. 30 target ACOS. Okay? Should be the same here. And then daily budget. Okay? Or the placement, whatever it is, kung gaano tayo ka-aggressive. Okay? Then the daily budget, whatever it is na binigay ni client, and end date. And kung ilang months or ilang weeks. Alright? And then once you're done, okay, once you're done, you can go ahead and launch the campaign. Alright? Okay. So, alright. So there you go. So that's how you create yung ating manual keywords targeting. Okay? And alright. So if you do have any questions regarding on this, okay, so please feel free to park it down. Alright, or write it down. I'm going to see you in the live session, and thank you again. Bye-bye.